Lezlie.
And Lexy.
Here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon.
Are we meditating?
We are, well, we need to meditate.
I wouldn't know how.
We're here to introduce the Fall ButterCream Collection.
Yes.
And it is amazing. It is called the Shibui Collection. Mm-hmm. We did a lot of research at what is into fall, and one of the trends is these natural mauve, muddled kind of colors.
Yeah.
So we took this whole collection and went with that trend of the mauves and the muddleds and just that soft kind of.
There's a spiritual kind of feeling to this collection too. It's very calming and it's really nice.
Oh, you guys are going to love it.
It's balanced really well.
It is, and they all go so well together. And anyway, Shibui Collection. Tell us what Shibui means, Lexy.
Let me get my notes.
We kind of really put a lot of thought into this. So
yeah, so Shibui is a Japanese word for naturalness, everydayness, modesty, and silence. So this is kind of where it stems from.
It does. And so we took all of that feeling, that spiritualness, as you said, and put it into these colors. Mm-hmm. And they're fabulous. So we're going to go through them one by one and let you guys introduce you to each one. I will start with the first color we're going to do is Show Me Your Chakra. Ah! Cover your eyes. No. And show me your chakra. That's a hard one to say a whole bunch of times.
Say that 10 times fast.
Yeah. It is the only it's the only shimmer one in the collection. All the rest are creams.
Yep, 5 creams and 1 shimmer.
But this one is packed with shimmer, and it is truly a beautiful metallic rose gold.
Yes. And that's what makes it kind of unique, is it's not just a shimmer, it's a metallic shimmer. So it gives you that kind of foil-esque look of wow.
Yeah. And it's the rose gold. Rose gold has been popular for so long, and it still is in. But it's a rose gold that kind of goes into that neutral category that fits in the Shibui collection really nice.
It's nice. It's one of the pizzazzier ones, though.
Pizzazzier. I like that word. Pizzazzier.
I'm here all day.
So show me your chakra. You're going to need to do that.
So mine is downward dog.
And now I would like you to get on the table and do the downward dog.
I will show you how to do a downward dog.
That's after this video.
I've never done yoga in my life.
You probably could use some, right?
Downward dog is a calming cream burnt orange. Mm-hmm. This one is probably the most fall of them all, just because it is that burnt orange. But it's in a really good place. It's not a bright orange. It's not a
copper.
It's not a brownie orange. Right. It's really a nice one.
It's a burnt orange. It's going to be. It's not going to scream out there. It has that calmness that kind of goes in the collection. But the burnt oranges are very so popular. Very popular. You see a lot of that. So this fits right in. It's just perfect. And it's a nice rich cream color. So downward dog.
Downward dog.
Right. Next one I have is Inhale, Exhale. No, you're not supposed to do it that way.
No,
Inhale.
Mom, she's an ex-cigarette smoker.
I'm an ex-cigarette smoker,
so that's what
I'll
she thinks.
That. It's been a long time.
It's more about breathing in your yoga class, Mother.
Well, it is. I know, and the calming once again. So, Inhale, Exhale is a cream berry mauve, and this is a berry color, a mauve. But it has a lot of that. I mean, it is packed with that berry color. So it's not like a really light mauve at all. It is a berry, a good one.
It has a pout to it, and it's going to be really popular because those kind of berry colors are, anybody can wear them. They're easy to wear. They're really popular. They're trendy. So,
and it has a lot of color to it. So it's not like real soft or anything. So it's not a red. It's not a pink. It's not a purple. It just has that mixture of that berry color. So
yeah, it's nice.
It's fabulous. Inhale, exhale.
Alrighty.
It'll keep you calm.
Let's see here. My next one is Now and Zen.
That's kind of clever. Get your Zen on, right?
Get your Zen on.
Now and Zen.
So this is a muddy purple taupe. So this one is, let's see, a muddy purple taupe. This cream will get your Zen on. So I love this one because this is another kind of Selena color. It has that muddy vibe to it, where there's kind of some gray undertones, but it is a taupe.
It's got a little bit of more of the, I want to say, the pinkish purple taupe to it.
It is. It's more of a purple taupe. It is a really, really nice color.
It is. It kind of falls in that neutral zone too. So like the inhale, exhale has a little more color to it. This is where this is a little softer, I would say.
Yep.
It's gonna be perfect. It's gonna.
And if you like those muddy colors,
yeah,
this is for you.
It is excellent. And I have Mantra Mauve. And Mantra Mauve is everybody has their different ideas of what a mauve is. I call this a true mauve. It's not too purple and it's not too pink. It's just right there in that kind of natural, neutral mauve.
Yeah, it is it's probably our most neutral color.
It is. It is. This one is going to take you. It's going to take you year.
Yeah, it's a year-round color, and it's timeless.
It is.
It's never going to go out of style. It's going to be a staple in your collection. So this one is. We've killed this one.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
spot on.
It's spot on. Yeah, it is. It's truly a true mauve. So anybody can wear this.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to have too much color, you make a big statement. It takes you into that. It's just you look kind of sophisticated, but you're not making a huge boom statement on your nails.
And my next one is going to be the complete opposite of that.
Of course.
Which the last but not least is Finding Tranquility, and this one is really dark.
Yes.
And really rich. So this one I like to call the Blue Vampira. I don't know if you guys remember Vampira, but it was a black red. So when you look at it, it actually looks black, but then when you put it on the nail, it's a really dark, creamy blue.
We call it an ink blue.
An ink blue.
It's that, but I don't call it a Bic pen ink blue.
No,
I mean,
it's dark.
it's that really.
It's like dark navy.
Oh, you people who love those dark colors. I mean, this is like almost black, but it has that blue tint to it.
And with 2 coats, it almost looks black. Like it's a sexy color.
It is.
So
It
you
really
will
is.
definitely be finding tranquility in this one.
We will. Maybe you and I should find a little tranquility now.
I need to go hit up some yoga classes and get some Zen on.
I need to hit up a massage table too. You know, you could do the downward dog while I get the rub. Shibui collection, you're gonna love it. I mean, it is so fall. It's beautiful. It's just rich, but also calming.
Yep.
So perfect
And
for
we
fall.
love ButterCream here at HQ. It's
They are. They're
these
wonderful.
these are my jam for sure.
This is mine too. They're so thin, butt up against that cuticle, and just makes for a sexy nail.
It really does. So these are available now. So contact your local distributor or lightelegance.com and pre-order now.
That's right. Get your Zen on with the Shibui collection.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.